Good morning, everybody. It's John Lee. This will be Tuesday morning. Those of you worried about me staying up late, the last couple nights I did. Something led me to, and one of the reasons I think is you'll see from the postings last couple days, we got some just amazing shots at night. And I think that's why I was led to do that, and I posted them. And I did get 5, 6, 7 hours sleep each of those nights, sleep in the morning. And, yeah, some people, work all night at the Walmart. They sleep some during the day. Okay, that's what it is. That's what I did. But then I probably slept 24 hours last night. I feel great waking up now. But what I got at those nights, if you look back the nights of the 8th and 9th, I think it was, some of those pictures were stunning. The detail at night in those clouds, not just regular colors, the detail that showed up was just stunning. This morning I've seen a pattern, as usual, coming over from the right. Come a few small clouds. They get bigger as they get near the sun. And each one of them morphs into amazing images with detail. Lots of colors, brown, yellow, and sprinkled with maroon bells everywhere. And see what happens when they go by? They're gone. The skies are clear over here to the left. It's like they're just coming out, like I've said, they're coming over the horizon. It's your turn to perform. They get bigger somehow. They put on displays in front of the sun. And then when they're done with their performance, they just poof away. That's a recurrent pattern we seem to see here. You'll see that in those pictures this morning. But the detail when some of these clouds get in front of the sun is just amazing. And it's not just one-off cloud that does this. It's every single one of them. So this isn't coincidence or accident, folks, obviously. And then when I zoom here, look what we're seeing. How do these clouds turn into this kind of color scheme? That make no sense. Look at the face and the detail we're catching right here. And every time this video pauses, I'm snapping a picture, so you can have a picture record of this. Wish I had an HD camera that didn't interrupt the video, but we'll get there. But this is just, and of course today sprinkled with maroon bells everywhere. Look at this, folks. Look at the detail, accents, and color. Like nothing before in the history of mankind. Right here, perfectly positioned off my south balcony. And the truth is, I wouldn't even have to move or zoom this camera. I could just set it like this, with the sun right in the middle, and just leave this thing on. If it had a setting where it takes a picture every 5 seconds, I could go inside, eat breakfast. You'd have an amazing thing of pictures. That is consistent, of course, with the observation I made before that these are custom shows being put on by the maker of the universe for me to capture on film. Because I know this, when it started this morning, I wasn't seeing this kind of stuff in the clouds. I actually focused on some of the snowmaking down on the mountainside, and you could see angelic images in that as well. Then the sky show started, and here you have it. And like I said before, I feel my job is to stand here and keep filming it as long as it goes on, like I did yesterday morning. And every day something special and different. Look at the blue eye on that one. Blue being the source of energy, as you know. When you get a little closer, look at the detail there. And hopefully these, well, you'll see it on these pictures. If you zoom into that little brownish, orangish colored detail, you will see unmistakable images of angels. Another thing that occurred to me, that color accent we're getting, besides the maroon, like look at this guy's mouth in maroon on the left, like he's blowing bubble gum right there. See it? A maroon bubble. But that brownish, yellowish highlight we're getting, that kind of reminds me of the color jasper, doesn't it, y'all? And you'll find that in the book of Revelation, of course. Accident? Yeah, right. Anyway, hope y'all enjoyed the pictures for this morning. They're really stunning. So, look at this guy smiling in front of the sun. We'll come a little closer now, get you more detail. When I zoom, of course, you're catching this detail on clouds, cloud-like images, to be accurate. Oh, look up here top. Look at that. And it just keeps going. Now see, we've got a couple bigger ones coming over here from the side. Look. So I know that by the time these get in front of the sun, they're going to show us something special. See? But the pattern's clear. They fly by, get in front of the sun, put on their dazzling show, and then pitter off to the left and just kind of poof away. Look there. Again, if I had just an auto camera sitting here taking a snap every 5 seconds, this would go on as long as I guess God wanted us to see it. But right now I don't, so I'm going to stand here and keep snapping pictures until it stops. But I can tell you that when this bigger one here, look here, gets in front of the sun, there'll be something special coming out of it, okay? I know that from all the work I've done and just the recurrent patterns that I keep seeing. Because I know that this is not a random occurrence. So y'all tell me what it is. See, I know there's still good detail over on this side. But right now I'm going to keep the camera right about here and watch what happens when this big cloud passes the sun here, okay? So I'm going to stop the video now and just keep watching the pictures.